Diba, diri atong morning, gubot pa sa lukot. Kasi itong ano, ayan no. Pinakain ko lang siya yung sabaw na karne. Ano na, mag 15. So today guys, is our anniversary. Wedding anniversary ni Dodong. Alam ni Dodong, kagabi pa siya. Ako pa ang namali kagabi na. So alam ni Dodong, hindi niya nakalimutan yung ano namin. Luto tayo nito. Bagong ano sa amin, oh, malapit lang, walking distance, Kustas. Malayo kaya to, sa ano lang to, kailangan pa kami pumunta ng Bayram pa siya. So, try namin maya dyan. Pag makauwi kami galing ano, Benicia. Makulimlim yung panahon. So, wait muna kami ng taxi and we will see you in the Benicia, guys. Oh, yung madam ko.
Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain?
Hanapin muna namin si ate. Si ate Cecil. Tawagan ko muna. Dito. Daming outfit dito. Ayan o, hindi natulog. Kala ko pa man matutulog sa ano, taxi.
Turn your lover to a op, ayy. I'm in the island on a Wednesday. Laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no C like I just tried. Hey, shorty the school to my rocket, I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all lie when they know the truth. No crying again.
Ang baby. Wala ganda ay lang baby, oh. Merhaba. That's my baby and my baby. Asa si Kuante? Wait, ano siya naman? Sa asa man mo karon?
Kasi gusto mo nga unsa mo.
Kaon pa daw siya.
Mga unsa mo, human naman ni. Magkape lang ni.
See if you can take your juice. Cool. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain to your double to
Ano po, yung phone ko kayo, na yan si Madam, gamit niya. Dahil si Ate Cecil, yan sila. Ano lang kami dito? Baby?
Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Yeah. Yeah, 17. Yeah. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Namaste. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the.
I'm back. So, dito kami sa bahay na mga madam, arangkol, mga dudong, ug inday. I mean, kanina pa kami nakarating kasi nauna na din umuwi sila Ate Cecil. Kasi si Indy, ang anak niya, uwing-uwi na. At si Dudong din medyo masakit din dito daw niya. Masakit kaya umuwi na rin kami. So, may nabili ako doon. Anong brand ba yun? Hindi ko alam. Bago sa paningin ko, yung Benicia, Abimi, yung maraming outlet. Outlet din yun. Basta, maraming outlet. Mga outlet ng mga iba't ibang klaseng brand. May marka. So, yun. So, ito, ano bang tawag nito? Idro? I don't know. But, ito siya. So, i-holding natin. Ito, pasar to. Nilagay lang to may case ito. Dito yan. So, una is, ang nabili ko yung yan. Sa ano ang pangalan nito? Be a Rainbow. Be a Rainbow. Ito. Be a Rainbow. Ito, ano siya, maganda siya sa dun sa banyo. Pagbasa. Basahan. And then, nakabili din ako ng makapal na Para siyang leggings nga. Yung anywhere to go, pwede. Dalawa ang binili ko, kulay black at gray. O, diba? Kasi may ano siya dito, bulsa. Lagyan natin yung phone natin dito or ano. Tama-tama lang sa liit ko. Yan. And then, ano to? Bra na to. Huwag na to ipakita. Balik na natin. Ito lang yung nabili natin. And, pagkatapos naming umuwi, nakatulog si Baby Love. So, nagmadalian na lang din ako nagpasar kasi Sabado ngayon may pasar. Bumili na din ako ng wala dito. And then, nakita ko to sa pasar. Maganda siya. Maganda yung quality niya, yung tela niya kay Baby Love. So, binili ko na kasi syempre yung panahon dito pa iba-iba. At least meron, diba? Ito siya. Kahit walang marka, importante pang ano lang naman yung hindi naman kami laging lumalabas, minsanan lang. Di ba? Dito lang. Tag ano ang isa nito? 25 tele. 25 tele. Hindi ko alam. Ilagay ko na lang dyan kung magkano in peso. So, bumili ako ng onions, ng sibuyas. And then, banana. Saging. Tapos, cucumber tayo. Pumili din ako ng luya. Siyempre, pang sabaw-sabaw natin. And then, talong. Yan. Tama-tama lang siya na talong. And then, apples. Diba? Apples. Yung mga liit lang mga apples kasi paborito to ni Baby Love. Hilig ngat-ngatan. Merong malaki din nito, pero wag yun. And then, ano pa to? Kamatis, aray. Katul. Kamatis. At saka, the last, wala na, ito ng last, mais. Lutuin natin yan maya. Ano na, anong oras na ba? 6:00 na pala. 6:00 na. 6:30. So, mga madam, alam nyo, meron akong regalo kay Dodong. Kasi anniversary namin, di ba? Wait lang. Tinago ko dito eh. Tinago ko dito sa ano ng ate ko. Sa unos niya ba? Ito siya, oh. Ano to? Wala tong brand na simple lang siya. At least galing sa puso ko. At least sa yung nahiyak tuloy ko. Wait lang. Ano lang to eh. Inipunan ko to kahit na hindi man ito mahal. 'Di ba? At least mahal ko yung tao. Ay! So man oy, ano ka buntis? Wala to, ito buntis. Ito siya. Nung umalis kami ni ate, nung andito yung ate ko, sumabay din ako sa pagbili ng yung tawag nito bakos o sinturon. Tapos hindi naman to siya kamahalan. At least, diba, dalawa yung binili ko, black at saka brown. Kasi ibot niya lagi. So, yung mga sinturon niyang iba, sira na. Tapos, kami lang palagi ni Baby Love. So, laging inuuna niya. Diba, kahit papano mapasaya ko naman siya. Kahit sa maliit na bagay. At saka itong t-shirt. LC Waikiki lang ito, eh. Hindi naman to kamahalan na tag dollar talaga. Pero at least, diba, kung ano nang dudong ko. Minsanan lang kasi ako, spoiled ako sa kanya. Hindi man din na gaano kamahalan yung binibigay niya sa akin. At least, diba, bibigyan ko din siya. At Ang pera na to, sa kanya din naman kasi kung bibigyan niya ako ng pera, tinatago ko, hindi ko naman lahat na kapag bibigyan niya ako ng pera, hala, gastos doon, gastos dito, hindi po. Naglalaan din ako para sa, kung siyempre may ganitong okasyon. Iba kasi yung dudong ko pag ano lang yan. Sabi ko sa kanya, bili ka ng ganito para sa'yo. Sabi niya lang, next time. Naubos lang next time. Wala pa rin. So, ito na. Bigay na natin kay Dudong. No. Ayan na. For you, my love. I love you so much. Chuk-chuk si Bio. Chuk-chuk si Bio. Bigay natin kay Dudong. So, pasensyahan nyo na yung bahay namin, no? Kasi basta may baby loves. Oops!
What is that?
Happy anniversary!
Ah, really? Dur bakayım o ne almış? Hadi bakalım. Ne almış? Kemer almış. Oo.
Ito pa din diyo yung nabudol ni Baby Loves o doon sa
Wow. Kimin bu? Kimin bu? Mami dedinin mi? Good. I like this. Huh?
Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical.